We have a mirror, up to 115 kilometers per hour, making it the swiftest.
One of the Indian story. This is story, yes, the name Mahabharata story. So,
Look at how barren it is. Oh my God.
It's lack of rain. And it is very time better.
In the middle of it all, there is this thing. Can you see this?
that means big fighting. Yes, this is story that means one is the bad king and one is the good king fighting. So this is story, I can tell you his name.
On their distribution and bone safely, but they still switch to explore and
Away from the nose, they call 100 brother, he's the bad king. Yes, he will send with the group army, they walking to the south to meet about the 5 brothers. 5 brother is the good king, he will come from the south and walking to the north. Video.
Okay. Video.
Okay? Experimenting.
So I was saying we are going to the East Gate. Yeah, we come from the west and we are okay. And as you can see on the right is the.
Oh, that's the right side. Okay.
What's that? And on your left is of course the left side.
Oh, so this is the left side and that's the right side. Okay.
I don't think it's interesting.
Yeah. Okay. Last time the main gate is here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but they have moved it to that side and they changed from Kingdom to I forgot the years, but just remember that they changed.
Yeah. Okay, guide. Would you like to tell us something about yourself? About yourself.
about myself.
How long have you been doing this tour?
I've been doing this for quite some time, and
Today is a birthday.
I know. No, I took a leave for 200 years.
Oh, maternity.
And
Maternity leave.
today I took this for you. Each of you will get one. This is the banyan tree. This is for the Buddha leaf. Okay, when you take one, this will be for good luck.
So, what do you think about the guide? How good was she? She's not good. What do you think about the guide? നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കുറച്ച് അങ്ങോട്ട് കൊണ്ടുപോയിടാവോ അപ്പോൾ ഐ ക്യാൻ ടേക്ക് ഫോട്ടോഗ്രാഫ്സ് പോപ്കോൺസ് ആ താങ്ക് യു
There are lots of aquatic features here.
This is where the famous orangutan, huh?
That's alright. have 1 year, okay? Ah, cup on my cup.
Lions might be down below and they must be in the back over there.